Saturday through Thursday. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Page and Shenandoah, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for southeastern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, central Page County in northwestern Virginia, until 8:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen, and an additional inch of rain is possible over the next hour. Some locations that will experience flooding include Luray, Mount Jackson, Stanley, New Market, Kimball, Kings Crossing, Compton, Leesville, Ida, Hamburg, Fairview, Panorama, Rabyville, and St. David's Church. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles